Okay, so what
Cheers.
about the legs?
Yeah, the legs. So you heard the news about the legs, right?
Yeah, so
But
now we're
he,
gonna be having legs.
yes, but did you hear the whole thing about who's gonna see the legs and who's not going to see the legs?
No, what do you mean? Was not
So
like some
this
special leg privileges?
yes, there will be some special leg privileges. This is what I read. I read that when I look at you, I will be able to see your legs,
Uh-huh.
but when I look at myself, I will not be able to see my legs.
That's
I
weird.
that's what I understand. That's how they plan to do the legs. So
Oh
and
wait, but you makes sense. Okay.
I think the problem that they are working with is that when you sit on your couch at home, the position of your legs is sitting position. Are you drinking your Tabasco sauce again?
Well, yeah, but jokes on it's not tequila. But jokes on you because oh, I see. Because a lot of people do. I'm standing right now.
You're standing right now in real life,
Yeah, in real life.
and I'm sitting in real life.
You're sitting on your butt.
Yes, and in VR it looks like we're both standing. So that's the
Yes.
problem with the legs. The problem with the legs is that people are going to be sitting like myself, but they're actually walking. So it's going to be confusing for their own mind to see their own legs walking while their actual legs are sitting.
That makes
And
sense.
so that's why once they implement the legs, they actually plan to do this. When you look at your own legs, you will not see your legs at all.
It
But when
makes sense
I
because it's a no situation. When you see your own nose, do you ever catch a glimpse of your own nose and it's like in your head, or you can think of, oh, there is my big nose in the middle, and it's like in your vision, and it's like it's something in your eye, but it's just your nose. It's
are you
maybe
saying I
the
have
same
a
thing.
big nose?
I'm talking about when it happens to me. Just drink a little bit more. Well, that makes sense. So the legs are gonna following us around,
That's
right?
exactly. That's the plan.
So what happens when you're dancing? I mean, Mark jumped, and they jumped really nicely,
He did.
right?
He
So
did.
that means that I wonder if there's gonna be some kind of coordination between how you're moving your arms and how the legs are acting,
I think
like the speed, velocity.
I think the headset is supposed to track our legs, but we'll see.
What do we know?
Cheers. What do
Cheers.
we know?
We know
Okay.
that Dia de los Muertos is coming.
Good job, by the way. This is really nice. This is
Thank
really
you.
nice.
It's a work in
Even though,
progress.
even though your tequila bottles look like Tabasco sauce,
Is it like a
but
Tabasco sauce?
a little bit. I mean, is this? That looks like more like a
Or are
Tabasco
you
sauce
thinking
than.
salsa Valentina sauce?
Oh yeah, this is more like
Are
salsa
you like
Valentina.
confused about your salsas?
I am a bit confused about my salsas. Yeah, this does. Oh,
Well,
yeah,
like,
this looks like salsa Valentina, doesn't it?
well, it's supposed to be tequila, but now that you mention it, now all I can think of is that salsa Valentina. Well, I have this one. Oh, I cannot grab it. That says tequila. That will fix the problem. But
Cheers.
cheers. You know what? Not tequila for you, since you were like criticizing my tequila. I take all the tequilas. Now they're all mine.
You mean your Tabasco sauce?